Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to start Shopify dropshipping. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and download the Shopify by typing just Shopify right here. And make sure, if you have downloaded, make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, scroll a little bit down right here. If you want to start, your dropshipping on, basically on Shopify, what you need to do, first sign up for Shopify. To begin, you need to sign up, and for Shopify dropshipping store is straightforward. Shopify currently offers 1 month trial for just $1, so you can get, or you can set up your store before committing to my payment plan. Secondly, you can just move on to the next step, name your Shopify store, and then move to the next step, and then you can generate 10 business names for fitness equipment, for example. And thirdly, you can just connect your domain, and linking your Shopify store with a domain is your website address that is crucial for enhancing your online visibility. Move along to the next step, design a Shopify dropshipping store logo. If you have one, add it. If you don't, you can use one of these 4 tools: Canva, Hatchful, Luca, and Brand Crown. Okay, and then lastly, or the 5 steps, or the 5th step is choose Shopify store theme. Similar to a brand logo, Shopify store theme must also align with your niche. In general, themes serve as the visual in the user interface, determining customers' experience on your website. As such, opting for a responsive, mobile-friendly theme can significantly boost your conversion rates by turning viewers into buyers. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.